Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
Hi, I'd like to get some ice cream.
Sure. What flavor would you like?
I'm not sure yet. What flavors do you have today?
We have vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, cookies and cream, mint chocolate chip, coffee, and salted caramel.
That's a lot of choices. What's your most popular flavor?
Cookies and cream is probably the most popular.
I like cookies and cream. Is the salted caramel popular too?
Yes, it is. It's sweet and a little salty.
That sounds good. I can't decide between those two.
Would you like to try a sample of the salted caramel?
Yes, please. That would help.
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. Oh, I really like that.
Great! Would you like to try the cookies and cream too?
I've had that before, so I know I like it.
Then you could get 1 scoop of each.
That sounds good. How big are the scoops?
They're pretty generous. 2 scoops are usually plenty for one person.
Maybe 2 scoops would be a little too much for me.
You could also just get 1 scoop.
I think I want both flavors, though.
We can split 1 scoop between 2 flavors if you'd like.
Oh, you can do that?
Yes, you can get half a scoop of cookies and cream and half a scoop of salted caramel.
Perfect. I'll do that.
Would you like it in a cup or a cone?
What kind of cones do you have?
We have regular cones and waffle cones.
What's the difference?
The regular cone is plain and not very sweet. The waffle cone is larger, sweeter, and crunchier.
Does the waffle cone cost extra?
Yes, it's an extra $1.
I think I'll get the waffle cone.
Sure. Would you like any toppings?
What toppings do you have?
We have sprinkles, chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, chopped nuts, and whipped cream.
Are the toppings included in the price?
Sprinkles are free. The other toppings are 50 cents each.
I was thinking about adding nuts. Does the salted caramel already have nuts in it?
No, the salted caramel doesn't have any nuts in it.
Okay, then I'll add some nuts.
Sure. Anything else?
I think I'll add some chocolate sauce too.
No problem.
Maybe whipped cream too. Actually, no. I think that might be too much.
No problem. Just nuts and chocolate sauce then.
Wait, I just realized that a waffle cone might get messy.
Yeah, it can, especially if it's warm outside.
Yeah, it's pretty hot today. Can I change that to a cup?
Absolutely, no problem.
Great. I'll get it in a cup.
Half a scoop of cookies and cream and half a scoop of salted caramel?
Yes, with nuts and chocolate sauce on top. And I'll add some sprinkles too.
Sounds good. Anything else today?
That should be everything. How much is it?
Your total is $7.25.
Okay, can I pay with a card?
Yes, you can tap or insert your card right here.
I'll tap it.
Perfect. It went through.
Great. Do I need to sign anything?
No, you're all set. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go. I'll make your ice cream now.
Thanks.
Here you go. Cookies and cream, salted caramel, nuts, chocolate sauce, and sprinkles.
That looks great. Could I get a spoon too?
Of course. Here you go.
And could I have a couple of napkins too?
Sure, I'll give you a few.
Thanks. I always seem to make a mess with ice cream.
That happens a lot, especially on hot days.
Everything looks right. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Hope you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will. Have a good one.
Thanks. You too.